To add fingerprint into the Pixel 9a, you have to start by opening settings, and now you'll have to scroll down and go for security and privacy. Next, you will have to scroll down again and just open those device unlock settings. Now go to the face and the fingerprint unlock, input your current screen lock, and now you have to select the fingerprint unlock. Scroll at the bottom, click I agree. Scroll again, click start. And now you have to touch and hold the fingerprint sensor. It is located just right here, built into the screen. So put your finger, and now when you feel vibration, you will have to lift your finger and try to scan both sides, so the right one, the left one, the top and the bottom part of your fingertip, and just keep scanning all the time. If it is not working for some reason, for example your skin is dry or damaged, then you can use a second finger and you can finish that process and it's gonna work. Let me just show you. Now as you can see, we can click done, but we can also add another finger, and if we are gonna try it, I'm gonna lock the screen, and now as you can see, I can unlock with this finger but also with the second one, and that's everything.